Hey everybody, it's Ryan, and what I have here is a California duster. This is the original California duster. I want to give sort of an overview. It says duster, but then it says antibacterial mop. But the cool part about this is it gets better as you use it. So as it kind of looks like it's getting dirty, it gets better. This should only be washed by hand. When you first get it, you want to kind of leave it out for a day or two. And it has some built-in kind of wax elements that help grip the old dust. Very soft. These things are like legends. Works on all different types of colors. Pulls the dirt off, the dust. Well, I would say dirt. I would say dust off pretty easily. Check this out. Might be hard to see because of the gray. This is PPF, but it it just takes the dust right off. It's kind of hard to pick up, but pollen, dust, it just lifts it right up. Cool part is that it doesn't move dust around. Works on glass. I mean, just grabs. Again, it's going to be hard to see because dust is so fine, but especially if you have a car that is stored in a garage, you don't keep a car cover on it, it's going to get dusty. I mean, it's just going to get dusty. And this thing is legit. Has a nice handle, so you can kind of get a good reach on it. I don't use it on rims. I guess you could, but if you have any kind of tire dressing, I probably wouldn't want to get that on there. But all in all, fantastic product. Cool part is you don't have to. I mean, it looks like. I mean, that looks pretty dang nice. And but yeah, but the cool part is you don't really need to wash it. But if you do, the indicator is that the dust, let's just say it gets to that point, it feels like you're pushing dust versus picking it up. That's kind of like the telltale sign. But this thing is going to be like super brown. It's gonna look dirty, like very dirty. And then that's when you're gonna wash it by hand with like a very mild detergent like Dawn or something like that. But if you're looking for something to get the dust off, especially like car shows and stuff like that, where you pull up and you want to look your best, or just want to keep your car clean, can't speak enough things good about California car duster. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon.